The purpose of this video is to show the end user the unpacking of the box, parts included, and standard installation for Amaze heater with patented no-drill EZY mount system. The procedure is the same for all sizes of base model Amaze heater. Cut the adhesive tape as shown to open the box. Carefully remove all the contents from the box. Remove the panel heater from the styrofoam packing material. The parts in the box are panel heater, template, heat reflector, instruction sheet with hardware, standard mounting hardware with instructions, EZY mount stands with installation instructions and hardware for mounting. You will not need to use the standard mounting hardware that came with the heater unit for EZY mount installation. You will be done in a few short minutes and you do not need any tools. Install all 4 spacers into the holes of the panel heaters as shown. After determining the location of the heater, place the 2 EZY mount stands on the ground at a spacing of no more than 17 inches from center to center of the stands, with adhesive pads against the walls. Peel the backing off the stands and place them in the predetermined location and press against the wall. Peel off the backing of the adhesive pads on all 4 spacers. Place the panel heater on the grooves of the EZY mount stands and press the panel heater firmly against the wall. Hold the spacers on the back of the heater and remove the screws as shown, and then remove the panel heater. Peel the backing off of this self-adhesive heat reflector and place it on the wall, approximately at equal distance from the 4 mounting posts. Wipe down the heat reflector as you peel the backing so as to minimize any wrinkles. Place the heater back on the grooves by the stands, align the holes, and fix all the 4 screws. The installation of your Amaze heater with patented no-drill EZY mount system is now complete. These heaters are tested and certified to be 100% safe in all aspects. Please note that these heaters do not provide instant localized heat, but are designed to heat the entire room over a period of time. Amaze heaters use the principle of zonal heating and provide a gentle warmth to any room desired without having to heat the entire house and thereby save as much as 50% on home heating costs.